It's Yash Mokashi here, and now in this tutorial we are going to render this drill machine which we have created earlier in Autodesk Fusion 60 software. So let's get started. So we have designed this drill, and now we are going to render this in a render workspace. For that, let these bodies convert to the components. For that, you have to select all this body using Shift button, and then go here in assembly and hit here on a new component and then hit OK. Now you can see all the bodies are converted into component. Just select all these bodies and drag it to this component. Now you can see this is a whole sub assembly in that component. These are the components. Okay. Now what we will do, we will add a sticker over here with whatever company you have. You can add the sticker, a PNG image. For that you need to go to the insert and then hit decal option, insert from my computer, and here if this is a logo, open it and select the face. You can see I have added a logo just like that. You can change the position by dragging this arrow, or you can change this, or you can select this plane. If I want to scale it down, just select this corner and just scale it down like that and then hit OK. Now you can see we have added a logo over here. Now we will go to the render workspace, and you can see this is a render workspace. I'm going to change the background. For that, you can go to the setup option and just click here on scene setting, and then this window will pop up. Here you can see this is the color which we have to change. You can change it like this and then apply and hit OK. You can see the source means the sun is above this object and the shadow is appearing on that plane. If you want to rotate it, just click here on the position and you can get a proper light like this. Okay, and then close this. Now the default material is steel, so whatever we have created, it acts like a steel, so we have to change that. So again, go back to the design workspace, and here in a modify tab we will find this physical material. So click on it. It will open this window, and just go to the plastic and add this ABS plastic over here. Yeah, just like that, and then close it and go back to the render workspace. Now you can see we have changed the physical material, but still we need to change this also. So again, go to the design workspace, add physical material, and again just grab it and place on the body, and it will automatically match that body. Go back to the render workspace. Now we need to change the color for this body. For that, here you can see there is an appearance option in the setup section. Just click here, go to the paint glossy. Here is the red option. Just select it and place it on that body just like that. So we are trying to match these colors over here. For now, go here on the paint and again select the black and add to this mount like the white, and add to this mount and keep this drill as it is. And then you can see this is too much glossy, we need to change it. So just double click on this and go to the roughness option, and just you can see you can add a little bit of roughness over here. You go in advanced section, you can change the emissivity, translucency just like that. For now, just hit OK, and we have done the coloring part. So here this part is remaining, just add this color again, and for these indicators it should be highlighted. And for that, what we will do, we will add this white color. You can grab it from here also and just place it on it. Once it's done, you can see we have done the coloring part. Now close it. So basically you can do the rendering from here also in canvas render, and or you can use this render option for rendering. Let me tell you how to do that. Just click on the rendering here, and it will start render this image whatever you have in your canvas. So you can see up here there is a a sample option, you can change it to the final or infinite. On that basis, you can see this will reduce the noise and get a proper view of the drill. Wait it for some time, it will complete the render. And then if you want to save this in canvas render, here is the option called capture image. Here there is a iteration number, that means it's sampling the model, and here is the time for rendering. For high quality render you need more time, so if you want to get a high quality render, just place it here and just leave it until you feel this is the finalized render. So just like that you can do the rendering part of this drill. For now I'm going to capture this image, so go here, capture image, and hit OK. After that you can save this to your computer. Okay, so just save it. Once you hit OK, it will save to the location which you have give. Just pause it and stop this in canvas render. I want same body like this, so just go to the design workspace. Now we are in the design workspace again. We have to create a copy of this material design, so just right click on it and copy this and then paste new, and it will copy paste that design, and you have to place it like this. Just place it randomly so it will look natural. We just need a render, full render, and for that we are doing this. Just rotate it for a clean shot and then hit OK. Now we have to change the, just again move it little bit, then hit OK. Again activate this design. We need to change this color. For that you can go to the modify tab, and here is the appearance option, and select this, and you can place it like this, just like that. And if you want to change the glossiness or roughness, you can do this here. If you want to change the color, you can grab this and do it like this, and then it done. Once you done it, just go to the render workspace again, and you can see we have added two drill machines with two different views. And just go to the setup scene again. We don't want this shadow, and for that just click here on a ground plane and check this box, and we need a background color. For that you can select a background color like this, hit apply, and then hit OK, and close this. Once you've done that, go to the render tab over here and just do the final rendering. I'm going to do the render on local machine. We don't need a cloud rendering. And then you can set the image size. I want it full HD, so I will set the resolution and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take some time to render it. You can see the rendering part over here. The rendering is started. Once it's done, this will pull the, it will show here. So basically the rendering is used to get the photorealistic view before manufacture the product. So it will help us for advertising purpose, also to get the realistic view and change it accordingly. So for that we are doing the rendering. We will add it later in your portfolio. I will show you how to do that and how to monetize your skill for that. So here you can see the rendering is completed. Just click on it and download it, give it the location, and save it. Now I'm going to close this design. Now just open that render and see we have done the we have created a minimalistic drill machine and done the rendering part also. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will see the next model and create a render out of it. So thank you, see you in the next one.